Okay, so I feel like lately people have finally realized that airflow actually matters. Again, not just glass boxes filled with RGB, but cases that actually breathe. Today we're taking a look at the Antec P30 series, specifically the P30 Air. It is designed around airflow first, but still managed to look clean and premium on a desk. And honestly, this one surprised me. What's up everyone, welcome back to Archetype Origins. My name is Ben and today we're doing another review for a budget PC case. This video is sponsored by Antec and they did send over the Antec P30 Air for us to check out. Just a quick heads up before I dive in, the case we're using here is the Antec P30 Air, the non-RGB version that's all about airflow. There's also a P30 ARGB version, and I'll mention both as we go through this review. Pricing between the two is actually really close. The P30 Air comes in around $83 and the P30 ARGB at around $85. So honestly, not a big gap at all. The main differences between the two cases is the P30 Air has non-RGB fans and the P30 ARGB comes with ARGB fans. So it really comes down to whether you want RGB or a clean, no lighting setup. First thing you notice is the front panel. It's a full metal mesh, so airflow is clearly the priority here. But Antec added this tiny little piece of wood accent which give it a clean, almost Scandinavian style look. It's subtle, not flashy, but it definitely stands out compared to the usual aggressive gamer designs. There's also this chamfered center line down the front, which adds depth and keeps the design from looking flat or boring. On the side, you've got a 4mm tempered side glass panel, and I really like how this is done. It is completely tool-free. It snaps on and off easily, which is great if you're swapping hardware, doing regular maintenance, or just don't want to deal with screws every single time. Overall, the exterior feels minimal, premium, and very airflow focused. And that kind of sets the tone for this entire case. Now let's talk about airflow because this is where the P30 really earns its name. This is a high airflow chassis and you can tell immediately. You've got a full mesh front intake, a large side intake, and bottom airflow using reverse fans, pushing cool air directly towards the GPU. There's roughly a 30mm of clearance between the GPU and the bottom fans, and that space matters. It lets fresh air hit the graphics card directly instead of getting blocked or recycled. Radiator support here is also solid. You can run up to a 360mm radiator at the top and up to 240mm in the front. So whether you're on a big AIO or a high-end air cooler, you've got plenty of flexibility here. This case is clearly designed for modern, high-power hardware in mind. Now, there's not much differences in between the P30 Air and the P30 Air RGB, and here is where the two versions really differ. Starting with the P30 Air, the one you're seeing here, you get 5 PWM performance fans and no RGB. 2 140mm fans up front, 2 120mm reverse fans on the PSU shroud, and 1 120mm fan at the rear. This version is all about pure airflow. No lighting, no distraction, just a clean PC setup. Now the P30 ARGB keeps a similar layout, but with lighting. You get ARGB fans up at the front and at the rear, while the bottom reverse fan stays the same. So airflow performance is basically identical. And considering the price difference is literally just a couple dollars, it's really nice to see Antec gives you the choice without forcing you into a big upgrade cost. Everything airflow related you're seeing here applies to both versions. In terms of compatibility, this is a very roomy mid-tower. You get support for ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, GPU up to 405mm, so it's fully ready for RTX 40 series and even 50 series cards. CPU air coolers up to 175mm tall, and power supplies up to 270mm even with cables. So yeah, no real compromises here. This case is built for modern hardwares. Up top, the I/O is exactly what you want to see. A USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, an audio combo jack, plus power and reset buttons. Inside the case, cable management is solid. You get rubber grommets, Velcro straps, and plenty of routing space behind the motherboard. Top and bottom dust filters are also included, which makes cleaning and long-term maintenance way easier. Building in this case is honestly pretty painless. The tool-free glass panel, roomy interior, and clean cable routing make it friendly for a lot of people. Whether you're a first-time builder, an enthusiast who care about airflow, or anyone just running a hotter GPU, if you want to maximize airflow with no RGB, the P30 Air makes a lot of sense. And if you want the same airflow with lighting to match your setup, the P30 ARGB is the move. So overall, the Antec P30 series feels really well thought out. And honestly, for the price, you're getting a lot of value out of this. Especially when you consider you're already getting 5 pre-installed fans right out of the box. That's something you usually end up paying extra for with a lot of cases in this range. So whether you go with the P30 Air at $83 or you go with the P30 ARGB at $85, you are getting an airflow focused case that supports modern hardware. In my opinion, it looks really clean on a desk and it doesn't look cheap. Now let me know what you guys think. Would you go with the Antec P30 Air or the Antec P30 ARGB? Drop your thoughts in the comment. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one.